Kurunji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurunji Education Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurunjischoolnkl.in.
Hello students, in last class we discussed what is a relation, what is a domain, what is a codomain, what is a range. Okay. Now in this session we will discuss problems related to this concept. Now example, let A is equal to, A is a set containing the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. A is a set containing the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Define a relation R from A to A. Okay. Means set A to set A, relation is defined. How it is defined? R is equal to, relation R is ordered pair X and Y. What is the relation between X and Y? Y is 1 more than X. Y is equal to X plus 1. Okay. Now here set is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now relation is defined from set A to set A by, what is the relation? How it is defined? Relation is ordered pair X, Y. Relation between X and Y is equal to X plus 1. Okay. Now here question is to represent this relation using arrow diagram, and we have to find what is the domain, codomain and range of this relation. Okay. Now here relation is defined from A to A, no? Relation is defined from A to A. How it is defined? Y is equal to X plus 1. Okay. X, Y, ordered pair X, Y. Relation between X and Y is equal to X plus 1. Okay. Now when X is 1, Y value is how much? 2. So 1 is mapped to 2. When X is 2, Y value is how much? 3. So 2 is mapped to 3. So when X is 3, Y is equal to 4. So 3 is mapped to 4, 4 is mapped to 5, 5 is mapped to 6. So by definition of the relation, how it is defined? By definition of the relation, relation R is equal to ordered pair X and Y. Y is equal to X plus 1. So by the definition of relation, what we have? R is equal to set containing the ordered pairs 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. Okay, 5 is mapped to 6. Okay, 5, when X is equal to 5, Y is equal to how much? 6. Okay, when X is equal to 6, Y is equal to 7, but 7 is not there in this set. So this relation contains the ordered pairs, ordered pair 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5 and 5, 6. Okay, this is the arrow diagram. This is the arrow diagram. This is the arrow diagram. Okay. Now this is a roster form. Okay, representing relation in roster form. Okay. Now what is the domain? First elements in the relation. Okay, in each ordered pair, what is the first elements comes under domain. So domain is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, domain is set containing the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, range. Range means in relation. Okay, in every ordered pair, second elements comes under relation. So range is what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Range is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Codomain. But this is codomain. Codomain contains the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Already in last class we discussed that range is subset R equal to codomain. Range is subset R equal to codomain. In this case, range is subset of codomain. Okay. Now here once again I will repeat. Set is given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relation is defined as from A to A by relation R is equal to ordered pair xy. Relation between first element and second element is y is equal to x plus 1. Second element is equal to 1 more than the first element. Okay, how to represent this relation in arrow diagram. Okay, and domain and range codomain we have to write. Okay, now arrow diagram 1 to 6, 1 to 6. So 1 is mapped to 2, 2 is mapped to 3, 3 mapped to 4, 4 mapped to 5, 5 mapped to 6. So relation contains the ordered pairs. Ordered pair 1 2, 2 3, ordered pair 3 4, ordered pair 4 5, ordered pair 5 6. Okay, domain of this relation. Okay, domain of the relation is nothing but all first elements in these ordered pairs. So domain is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, range is second element of this relation in each ordered pair. So 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, this is range. Codomain is this entire set. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, next question. Now here one diagram given. Okay, two sets P Q. Okay, so P contains the elements 9 4 25 and Q contains the elements 5 3 2 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. Okay, how it is mapped? 9 is mapped to 3 and minus 3. 4 is mapped to 2 and minus 2. 25 is mapped to 5 and minus 5. Okay, now here question is write this relation. What kind of relation it is? Okay, what is this relation? You have to represent this relation in set builder form and roster form. Okay, set builder form means you have to give one definition for the relation. Okay, roster form means you have to list out all the elements of that relation. Okay, domain and range you have to give. Now first of all, if you observe, 9 is mapped to 3 and minus 3. So it is nothing but 9 is square of 3 and 9 is square of minus 3. No? So 3 square is equal to minus 3 square is equal to 9. Okay, now here 2 square is equal to minus 2 whole square is equal to 4. 5 square is equal to minus 5 whole square is equal to 25. If you observe here, if you consider this is x and this is y, x is square of y. Okay, it is obvious that the relation R is x is square of y. Suppose here you have x, here you have y. What kind of mapping is here? X is square of y. X is square of y. Okay, now in set builder form, R is equal to ordered pair x comma y. Relation between x and y is what? X is square of y. X is equal to y square, where x belongs to P and y belongs to Q. Okay, this is set builder form. Now roster form list out all the ordered pairs. What you can write? Ordered pair 9 comma 3, ordered pair 9 comma minus 3, ordered pair 4 comma 2, ordered pair 4 comma minus 2, ordered pair 25 comma 5, ordered pair 25 comma minus 5. Okay, this is roster form. What is domain of this relation? Domain of this relation is 9 4 25. That is domain. Range of this relation, here 9 is mapped to 3 and minus 3, or else from here you can write, no? Okay, here in each ordered pair second elements comes under range. So 3 minus 3, 2 minus 2, 5 minus 5. So this is range. Okay, I'll repeat once again. Here question is two sets given P and Q. Okay, now mappings given like this. Now we have to name the relation. Okay, in set builder form and roster form we have to, what is the domain and range we have to find. Okay, now if you observe, 9 is the square of 3, 9 is square of minus 3, 4 is the square of 2, 4 is square of minus 2, 25 is square of 5, 25 is square of minus 5. So if you consider here elements in P as x and elements in Q as y, what we have? X is equal to y square. X is equal to y square. Okay, now in set builder form, R is equal to ordered pair x comma y such that x is equal to y square, where x belongs to P and y belongs to Q. Okay, in roster form list out all the ordered pairs. Ordered pair 9 3, ordered pair 9 minus 3, ordered pair 4 2, ordered pair 4 comma minus 2, ordered pair 25 comma 5, 25 comma minus 5. Okay, now in this roster form, all ordered pairs first elements comes under domain and all ordered pairs second elements comes under range. So domain is set containing 9, 4, 25. Range is set containing 3, minus 3, 2, minus 2, 5, minus 5. Okay. Next, I'll give a note here. Okay, total number of relations that we can define from a set A to set B. Okay, how many relations we can define? Okay, the total number of relations that can be defined from a set A to set B is the number of possible subsets of A cross B. Okay, how many subsets you can write of A cross B, that many relations you can define. Okay, total number of relations that can be defined from a set A to set B is the number of possible subsets of A cross B. Okay, and this is important point. Total number of relations that can be defined from a set A to set B is the number of possible subsets of A cross B. Okay, now suppose if a set A contains P number of elements. Number of elements in set A is P and number of elements in set B is Q. Okay, so n of A is equal to P and n of B is equal to Q. Then number of elements in their Cartesian product, n of A cross B is equal to how much? P into Q. Okay, if n of A is equal to P and n of B is equal to Q, if n of A is equal to P and n of B is equal to Q, then n of A cross B is equal to P into Q. Okay, then if A cross B having PQ elements, the total number of relations is equal to total number of subsets. So total number of subsets how many? 2 power PQ. So total number of relations is also 2 power PQ. Okay, this is an important point. Total number of relations that can be defined from a set A to set B is the number of possible subsets of A cross B. Okay, if n of A is equal to P, means number of elements in a set A is P and number of elements in set B is Q, then number of elements in set A cross B is PQ, then total number of subsets will be 2 power PQ. So total number of relations is also 2 power PQ. Okay, next one example question. Let A is equal to, set A is equal to 1, 2. So A contains the elements 1, 2. Set B contains the element 3, 4. Okay, find the number of relations from set A to set B. Find number of relations from set A to set B. So number of relations from set A to set B is total number of possible subsets of A cross B. First of all, we will define A cross B. So A is equal to set containing 1, 2. B is a set containing the elements 3, 4. Then A cross B is equal to how much? Ordered pair 1, 3, ordered pair 1, 4, ordered pair 2, 3, ordered pair 2, 4. So number of elements in A cross B equal to how many? 4. So total number of subsets of A cross B will be 2 power 4. So total number of relations also is equal to total number of subsets of A cross B. So the number of relations from set A to set B will be 2 power 4, nothing but 16. Okay. Now here set A contains the elements 1, 2 and set B contains the element 3, 4. Okay. Find the number of relations from set A to set B. Okay. Now here A cross B is equal to how much? Okay, A is a set containing elements 1, 2, B is set containing element 3, 4. So A cross B is equal to ordered pair 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4. Okay, number of elements in A cross B is 4. So total number of subsets of A cross B is 2 power 4. The number of relations from A to B is equal to number of possible subsets of A cross B. How many subsets of A cross B is 2 power 4. So number of relations from A to B will be 2 power 4, nothing but 16. Okay, and one more point. Now here two sets given A and B. Okay, then we are saying that relation from A to B. Okay, now sometimes in earlier example relation on set A means both domain and codomain will be same set. Okay, in such case relation from A to A is also stated as relation on set A. Okay, relation from A to A is also stated as relation on set A. Okay, now exercise 2.2. First question, let set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 14. Okay, set containing the natural numbers 1 to 14. A relation is defined on A, means a relation is defined from set A to A, nothing but relation is defined on set A. How it is defined? R is equal to ordered pair x and y, ordered pair x comma y. What is the relation between x and y? 3x minus y is equal to 0. 3x minus y equal to 0, where x and y are elements of set A. Here question is to write domain, codomain and range. Now here set A containing the elements 1 to 14, natural numbers from 1 to 14. A relation is defined on set A by R is equal to ordered pair x and y. Okay, relation between x and y is 3x minus y equal to 0. Okay, where x and y are elements of set A. Write down domain, codomain and range. Okay, the relation from set A to set B, how it is given? R is equal to ordered pair x comma y such that 3x minus y equal to 0. 3x minus y equal to 0 is nothing but y is equal to 3 times of x. In ordered pair x and y is 3 times of x, where x and y are elements of set A. So when x is equal to 1, what is y? 3. So ordered pair 1 comma 3. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to how much? 6. So 2 comma 6. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to what? 9. Ordered pair 3 comma 9. When x is equal to 4, y is equal to what? 12. So ordered pair 4 comma 12. When x is equal to 5, y is equal to how much? 15. But 15 does not belongs to set A. So 5 comma 15 does not belongs to this relation. 5 comma 15 does not belongs to relation. So elements of this relation are ordered pair 1 comma 3, ordered pair 2 comma 6, ordered pair 3 comma 9, ordered pair 4 comma 12. Okay. Now what is a domain, codomain and range? What is domain? A domain is set of all first elements of the ordered pairs in the relation. Domain of a relation is set of all first elements of ordered pairs in the relation. Now in this relation, what are the ordered pairs we are having? 1 3, 2 6, 3 9, 4 12. So what are the first elements? 1 2 3 4. So domain of this relation is what? Set containing the elements 1 2 3 4. Okay. Next, codomain. Codomain is the whole set A. Okay, the whole set A is the codomain of the relation. Okay, codomain is equal to what? Codomain of R is A equal to 1 2 3 4 up to 14. Okay. Now range of a relation is set of all second elements of all ordered pairs in this relation. Okay, so here in this relation R, what are the ordered pairs? 1 3, 2 6, 3 9, 4 12. So second elements are 3 6 9 12. Okay, so these comes under range. So range of R is set containing the elements 3 6 9 12. Okay, now here question is set A given as 1 to 14, natural numbers 1 to 14. Relation R is defined on set A as R is equal to ordered pair x comma y, where relation between x and y is equal to 3 times of x, where x, y both are elements of set A. Write down domain, codomain and range. Okay. Now what is the relation? R is equal to ordered pair x comma y, where y is equal to 3 times of x. Okay. So when x is 1, y is 3, x is 2, y 6, when x is 3, y 9, x is 4, y 12. Okay. When x is 5, y is 15, but 15 does not belong to set A. So relation contains the ordered pairs 1 3, 2 6, 3 9, 4 12. Okay. Domain. A domain of a relation is the set of all first elements of the ordered pairs in the relation. So here domain is 1 2 3 4. Okay. Codomain is whole set. Whole set A is the codomain of the relation. So codomain is equal to set containing the elements 1 to 14. Range of a relation is set of all second elements of ordered pairs in the relation. So here what are the ordered pairs? 1 3, 2 6, 3 9, 4 12. Second elements are 3 6 9 12. So range of the relation is 3 6 9 12. Okay. Next question. Define a relation on set of natural numbers. How it is defined? R is equal to ordered pair x comma y. Relation between x and y is given as y is equal to x plus 5. Y is equal to x plus 5, where x and y both are natural numbers and x value less than 4. Now x value less than 4, natural numbers less than 4 are 1 2 3. Okay, x value is 1 2 3. Okay, now here we have to define a relation on set of natural numbers. How it is defined? R is equal to ordered pair x comma y. Relation between x and y is given as y is equal to x plus 5. Y is equal to x plus 5, where x and y both are natural numbers and x value less than 4. Natural numbers less than 4 are 1 2 3. Okay, now here we have to give this relationship using roster form. Roster form means you have to list out all the elements of this relation. Okay, write down the domain and range. Now here relation is what? Relation is R is equal to ordered pair x y, where y is equal to x plus 5, x and y are natural numbers, and x is a natural number less than 4. X is a natural number less than 4 means x is 1, x is 2, x is 3. So when x is 1, y value is how much? 1 plus 5, 6. So 1 comma 6 belongs to this relation. When x is 2, 2 plus 5, 7. So 2 comma 7 belongs to this relation. Okay. When x is 3, 3 plus 5, 8. So 3 comma 8 belongs to this relation. So this relation contains the ordered pairs 1 comma 6, 2 comma 7, 3 comma 8. Okay. Now what is the domain? Domain is nothing but set of all first elements of the ordered pairs in this relation. Okay. What are the ordered pairs in this relation? We have ordered pair 1 6, ordered pair 2 7, ordered pair 3 8. So first elements are 1 2 3. So domain of this relation is what? 1 2 3. Okay. Range. The range of the relation is set of all second elements of the ordered pairs in the relation. Okay. Now here in this relation we have ordered pairs 1 6, ordered pair 2 7, ordered pair 3 8. Second elements are 6 7 8. So range of R is 6 7 8. Okay. Next, third question. Set A is containing the elements 1 2 3 5. Okay, set A contains the elements 1 2 3 and 5. Okay, what is B? Set B contains the elements 4 6 9. Okay, define a relation R from A to B. Relation is defined from set A to set B. How it is defined? Relation R is equal to ordered pair x and y. What is relation between x and y? The difference between x and y is odd. Difference between x and y is odd, means difference between these two numbers is odd number. Okay, where x belongs to set A and y belongs to set B. Okay, write this relation in roster form. When you get difference between two numbers is odd number, if one number is odd number, one number is even number, difference between odd and even is always odd. If you consider two even numbers, difference between two even numbers is always even number, or if you consider both odd numbers, difference between both odd numbers is also even number. So to write this relation, okay, to write this relation, what is the relation? Difference between x and y is odd. So what you have to do is, you take odd number in set A, even number in set B, or else even number in set A, odd number in set B. Okay. So 1 comma 4, 1 comma 4, difference between 1 and 4 is how much? 3. Okay. 1 comma 6, difference between 1 and 6 is what? 5. 1 comma 9 we cannot consider because difference between two odd numbers is always even. Difference between 1 and 9 is what? 8. Okay. So 1 comma 9 does not belong to this relation. So 1 comma 4, ordered pair 1 comma 4, ordered pair 1 comma 6 belongs to this relation. Next, ordered pair 2 9 belongs to this relation. Okay. Ordered pair 3 4, ordered pair 3 6 belongs to this relation. Okay. Ordered pair 5 4, ordered pair 5 6 belongs to this relation. Okay. So this relation contains the ordered pairs 1 comma 4, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 9, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 6, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 6. Okay. If you observe in every ordered pair, one odd number, one even number. Okay. Difference between odd and even is always odd. Difference between two even numbers is even. Difference between two odd numbers is also even. Okay. Next. Here in fourth question, two sets given by P and Q, and there is a relationship between elements of set P to elements of set Q. Okay. What is given here? Set P contains the elements 5 6 7, set Q contains the elements 3 4 5. Okay. 5 is mapped to 3, 6 is mapped to 4, and 7 is mapped to 5. Okay. Now here question is, write this relation in set builder form and roster form, write its domain and range. Now if you observe this element is 2 less than this element, 5 is 2 more than 3, or else 3 is 2 less than 5. So y is, suppose if you consider x in P and y in Q, y is equal to x minus 2. Okay, y is equal to x minus 2. So relation R okay, in set builder form, ordered pair x comma y, where y is equal to x minus 2, where x belongs to P and y belongs to Q. Okay. Now roster form directly given, no arrow diagram itself. So ordered pair 5 comma 3, ordered pair 6 comma 4, ordered pair 7 comma 5, okay, belongs to this relation. Okay, what is the domain? Domain is in relation, okay, set of all first elements of the all ordered pairs in the relation is domain. So domain is what? 5, 6, 7. Okay, what is range? Range is set of all second elements of the ordered pairs in the relation. So what is range? 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Now relation R defined on set A by R is equal to ordered pair A and B, where A and B are elements of set A. And what is the relation? B is exactly divisible by A, means second element is exactly divisible by first element. What is the relation between elements of ordered pair? B is exactly divisible by A. Okay, second element is exactly divisible by first element. Okay, now here question is to write relation in roster form, domain and range. Okay, roster form means we have to list out all the elements of this relation. Here relation is ordered pair AB, B is exactly divisible by A, means second element is exactly divisible by first element. So every number is divisible by itself, no? Every number is divisible by itself. So 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 6 comma 6 belongs to this relation. Okay, so 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 6 6 belongs to this relation. Okay, next 1 divides every number. 1 divides every number. So 1 comma 2 belongs to this relation because 2 is divisible by 1. Okay, every number is divisible by 1. So 1 comma 2 belongs to this relation, 1 comma 3 belongs to this relation, 1 comma 4 belongs to this relation, 1 comma 6 belongs to this relation. Okay, next 4 is divided by 2, no? 4 is exactly divided by 2. So 2 comma 4 belongs to this relation. Also 6 is exactly divisible by 2. So 2 comma 6 belongs to this relation. Okay. Also 6 is divisible by 3, no? 6 is divisible by 3. So 3 comma 6 belongs to this relation. So this relation contains the elements 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 6 6. Next, every number is divisible by 1. So 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 6 belongs to this relation. Okay. 2 comma 4 belongs to this relation because 4 is divisible by 2. 2 comma 6 belongs to this relation as 6 is divisible by 2. Okay. 3 comma 6 belongs to this relation as 6 is exactly divisible by 3. Okay. This is roster form. Now, what is the domain of this relation? Every element we have, every element of set A we have in domain, because 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 6 6 belongs to this relation, means 1 2 3 4 6 belongs to this relation. So domain of the relation is 1 2 3 4 6. Range of the relation is also 1 2 3 4 6. Okay. Next question. Determine domain and range of the relation R. Okay. How it is defined? Relation R is equal to ordered pair x comma x plus 5. Ordered pair x comma x plus 5, where x is a number between 0 to 5. Okay. X can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this relation in roster form I will write. First of all, roster form, when x is equal to 0, when x is equal to 0, 0 plus 5. So 0 comma 5. So ordered pair 0 comma 5. Okay. When x is equal to 1, 1 plus 5 6, no? 1 comma 6, ordered pair 2 comma 7, ordered pair. When x is equal to 3, 3 comma 8. When x is equal to 4, 4 comma 9. When x is equal to 5, 5 comma 10. So relation contains these elements: 0 comma ordered pair 0 comma 5, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 7, 3 comma 8, 4 comma 9, and 5 comma 10. Okay. So what is the domain of the relation? Domain of the relation is nothing but all first elements in the ordered pairs present in the relation. So all the first elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that is domain of the relation. Range of the relation is a set of all second elements of all ordered pairs present in the relation. So what is range? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that is range of the relation. Okay, next question. Write the relation R is equal to ordered pair x comma x cube. So what is the relation between first element and second element of the relation here? Ordered pair x comma x cube means first here some number, it's cube. Okay, now one more condition is given, x is a prime number less than 10. X is a prime number less than 10. Prime number less than 10 means what? Prime number less than 10? 2, 3, 5, 7. Now 1 is neither prime nor composite. So prime numbers less than 10 are 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. So relation is ordered pair x comma x cube where x is a prime number less than 10. So when x is equal to 2, 2 comma 2 cube. 2 comma 2 cube is 8, no? Ordered pair 2 comma 8. When x is equal to 3, 3 comma 3 cube. So 3 comma 3 cube is what? 27. Okay, when x is equal to 5, 5 comma 5 cube, 5 comma 125. Okay, when x is equal to 7, 7 comma 7 cube is 343. So this relation contains the ordered pairs, ordered pair 2 comma 8, ordered pair 3 comma 27, ordered pair 5 comma 125, ordered pair 7 comma 343. Okay, next question. Let set A contain the elements x, y, z and set B contains the elements 1 comma 2. Find number of relations from set A to set B. Number of relations from set A to set B. Okay. First of all, number of elements in A cross B. Number of elements in A cross B will be how many? 6. We'll write those. So A cross B is equal to what? Ordered pair x comma 1, ordered pair x comma 2, ordered pair y comma 1, ordered pair y comma 2, ordered pair z comma 1, ordered pair z comma 2. So number of elements in A cross B is equal to how many? 6. Okay. Here A cross B is equal to what? Ordered pair x comma 1, ordered pair x comma 2, next ordered pair y comma 1, ordered pair y comma 2, ordered pair z comma 1 and ordered pair z comma 2. So number of elements in A cross B is equal to how many? 6. So as number of elements in A cross B is equal to 6, number of subsets of A cross B is 2 power 6. Okay. So number of relations from set A to set B is nothing but number of subsets of A cross B. That is nothing but 2 power 6. So number of relations from a set A to set B is nothing but 2 power 6 in this case. Okay. Next question. Let R be the relation on Z where Z is integers. Okay. Let R be a relation on Z defined by R is equal to ordered pair A comma B, ordered pair A comma B where A and B are integers. What is the relation between A and B? A minus B is an integer. A minus B is an integer. We have to find domain and range of the relation. Here relation is defined on integers and relation is defined by ordered pair A comma B where A and B are integers and relation between A and B is A minus B is an integer. A minus B is an integer. What is the domain and range of the relation? Okay. What we know? But difference between two integers is always an integer. Difference between two integers is an integer. Okay. So here as A is a relation, A is an integer and B is an integer, difference between two integers is again integer. So domain you can give any integer. Range what you will get? Again you will get integer only. So domain of the relation is all integers Z. So range of the relation is also Z. Okay. So here what is given? R is equal to ordered pair A and B where A and B are integers. A minus B is an integer. Okay. Difference between any two integers is always again integer. So domain of the relation is all integers and range is also all integers. So domain of the relation is Z and range of the relation is Z. Okay. Now with this we completed this exercise. Next session will start functions.